What's up, guys? I'm out here at Tigard Skatepark, Portland, Oregon. I'm gonna do a skate park tour. Might get some clips. Park's not my style. It's a little intimidating.
Walking into this park, it's crazy. You got this double bowl, a little roller with another bowl on top of it. It's really unique. And up on top we have a wall ride with the bench, a curved bench, some really good hips. I'll do a walk around the whole park. Over there we got the bowl to the spine. Almost everything is rideable on every side. On the back side of the bowl we have this, and it is curved, so you can wall ride it. Coming down to the second half, I got this crazy flat rail with the ledge going to it. Crazy bump, weird crazy berm, this oververt little section. I'll do a walk around the whole park. This little hump in the middle used to rotate. I guess about 12 years ago they took it out. Crazy bank in the back. That bank is like 13. We got a pocket bowl, oververt. And then we have a bank, the Jersey barrier, the little dragon dinosaur guy. So that freaking wall is huge. It's so scary. It's like I said, 13, 15 feet, just massive. More angles of that crazy bull. So this banked quarter is just massive. There's even a roller back here, so you could lap the whole skate park. Said even this is slanted, so you come around, you can wall ride it to this little berm. Another angle for the bank. The dinosaur. We got these crazy little ledges over here in the corner. A bank, the Jersey barrier type thing. This is that crazy pocket bowl. Got the berm. You can wall ride this as well. To the back side we have a little manual pad with the ledge. And keep going. We've got another bank up there with a crazy little quarter and more pole coping. Here's the pocket bowl. And this bank, this quarter is huge. So scary. Berm, wall ride, manual pad, ledge. Crazy ledge. Even the back side of this quarter pipe is another crazy ass quarter pipe. Crazy ledges. Quarter pipe. And we got this cool bull right here with the spine. Super smooth, super cool looking bull. Crazy bank. And this crazy dinosaur. Totally unique though, really cool to see. You can go from this bowl, and then there's a bank on this side, so it's almost a box jump. You can see how steep this crazy brick bank is. Massive quarter pipe. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. Here's that crazy pocket bowl. Bank the ledge. Ledge is down. And the massive freaking quarter pipe once again. Alright, hope you guys enjoy the tour. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.